Hey there! Are you looking for a smart pathway lights that not only brighten your outdoor space but also add customizable colors, effects, and automation? Not only that, but they are solar powered, app controlled, and built to last through all seasons. Today we are taking a look at the Linkind SP6 Smart Solar Pathway Lights. But before we jump into the review, I want to mention that this video is sponsored by Linkind and they sent this over for me to check out, but as always my thoughts remain completely honest, genuine, and based on real use. So right out of the box, as you can see, you get a 4-pack of lights and the setup is super simple with a wire-free stake installation, and as you can see, the assembly of these lights is super easy and straightforward. You don't even need to look at the user guide. When it comes to the installation, you will install them as any regular pathway lights. Just place them where you want them, and most importantly, of course, where they get some sunlight so they get charged up during the day and save the energy for night. You can also order multiple packs and sync them all together through the app for a fully connected lighting setup, which is one of the features that I really like the most. Now, since setup is easy, let's jump straight into what makes these stand out for real. First off, you get a ton of customization. These lights feature 4 lens slots with 5 interchangeable lenses along with 16 million RGBTW color options. You can switch patterns, change colors, adjust brightness, or even remove the lens entirely for a clean, standard lighting look. On top of that, you get light shows, preset scenes, and sound sync, which means your lights can actually react to music and create a dynamic atmosphere for holidays, parties, or just everyday ambience. My favorite part is the light show, where you can group the lights, set the order, and even choose the direction. You can use the preset effects or create your own, pick your colors, set the sequence, and watch the lights flow from one to another. Control is also a big highlight here. Through the app, you can schedule, automate, and group your lights. You can manage up to 8 groups with up to 32 lights each, giving you full control over large outdoor areas. Features like dusk to dawn automation and custom schedules make everything hands-free once it's set. When it comes to power, these use efficient solar charging with MPPT technology, which helps maximize energy throughout the day for longer runtime at night up to 14 hours. And if needed, there's also a USB-C charging option as a backup, which is really nice addition. In terms of durability, these are built with a weather-resistant ABS housing so they can handle heat, cold, wind, and rain without issues. Plus, they come with a 3-year warranty, which adds extra peace of mind for long-term use. Overall, the Linkind SP6 Smart Solar Pathway Lights combine smart controls, vibrant lighting effects, durable design, and flexible installation into one system, making them a great upgrade for any outdoor space. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today. about these amazing smart solar pathway lights. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best fit for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and enjoy smart, colorful, and fully customizable outdoor lighting. See you in the next video. Peace.